Hello again, everyone. I need to make a very special card today. Today is the day in the UK when advanced level exams are published, the results. And my granddaughter Daisy has got into her university at Edinburgh. She got an A star, an A, and a B. And the B was 1 mark short of an A. So I think she's talking with the teachers at the moment to see if they can have the exam remarked, just to see if they could find 1 mark. Seems cruel, doesn't it, really, to miss an A by one mark, just 1 mark. So I wanted to send her a card, and the A's I was so pleased with. I wanted to have amazing. I found the word amazing. I thought I'd got one, and I found this one. So I wanted to have you are amazing. And I looked for I've got a U there, I've got a U here. I've got loads of U's, but I couldn't find the R. And then I came across this one. I don't know where this is from. It says you are sweet, so I thought that's perfect. And I cut first of all out of white, and I did wonder about whether I would stack these, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to stick on the gold. And the other day I did a video about good ways of adhering delicate dies like this, and what I opted for that time was microdots, but I did show this. Didn't use it because you need to stick this onto the back of card before you die cut. So then you just cut it out, and it works like a sticker. You just peel off the back and stick. So that's what I'm going to do. There are various makes of this kind of stuff. I think sticks to anything, do something as well. I've got some of there somewhere. I must dig that out. But what I thought I would do, rather than just put you are amazing, I thought I'd like to stamp this text over there, because she did an awful lot of writing for all these exams. So that's my thought. That'll be just a subtle sort of background. And here's the stamp, and I thought I would do it in grey. Morning Mist, Versifine Claire. So let's just do this. I hope it's going to look all right. What I did was put that over there and then look like this, you see, to see if I thought. But that's black, and I don't want it quite so severe as that. Just make sure I've got it the right way up. This is the right way up. Try and get it straight. And it's upside down, but that's fine. Trust me. I'm just wondering if it's a bit too dark, actually. I am wondering if that's too dark. I think it might be. I'll use that for something else. I won't obviously throw it away, but let me cut another one. And I think I'll use Lost Shadow instead, which is really, really pale. I'll get another piece of card. This time I think I'm going to stamp it with Lost Shadow in my stamping platform, so that I can do it a couple of times if I don't get a deep enough colour the first time, because Lost Shadow is really very, very pale. Yes, I will do that again. But it's kind of the effect I'm after, I think. Yes, and one more. That's much better. Just want it to be, you know, subliminal. That's fine. That will do nicely. Now I thought I'd like to add some stars as well. I've got out two sizes of stars. These ones I thought I would like to have a couple sort of fairly big ones, kind of like that, and then little ones maybe dotted around. So I've got still plenty of gold card here that's got the stick it on the back. All of this lot here is clear, so we'll have a few of these and those two. So let's cut these out. Those two can go in there. I don't want, you know, great load. There we go. Put them on the magnet. Right, let's see. I'll stick this down onto its base, onto the gold piece. There's that. Now I'll stick the amazing down, and the tittle for this is still there, for the eye. So try and get that off. No, can I get this off? There we go. Amazing. Here's the tittle. If I can get it out. There it is. Where did it go? Is it still on there? Yeah. It's absolutely minuscule. Crikey. I think that's the smallest one I've ever seen. Right, where's the UR? Here it is. Just get rid of that bit in the middle. I'm going to take the back off this. Find somewhere to start it off. You are amazing. Let's see our stars now. It's quite fiddly, I have to say. There we go. Just put a few of these randomly around the place, and then that's going to be it. She's worked so hard. You may remember she was down here doing revision for a couple of weeks. She's put so much into this. I really think, you know, she deserves her 3 A's, but she's got into her university of choice, so that is all she's bothered about. She's going off to Edinburgh. Long way to go. She went to the races yesterday with her mum and her brother, and for some reason she she found herself in the possession of a Scottish £5 note. I don't know whether it was winnings or what. I don't know quite what the reason was, but she went to bed last night with the £5 note under her pillow. She thought it was going to be a good omen because she's going to a Scottish university. Isn't that sweet? Bless her. Her mother said this morning she was absolutely petrified of getting the results, but gosh, she worked so hard. I'm so proud of her. So proud of her. There we go. You are amazing. That is just the effect I had in my mind. The morning mist was too dark. The one stamping of Lost Shadow wasn't quite, enough. And doing it in the stamp platform was the answer, so I could have several shots at it. There we are. You are amazing, my wonderful granddaughter. So a lot of hard work's paid off. She's got a lot of hard work ahead of her when she gets to university, but I hope she has lots of fun as well. Facebook, for those of you who look at my Facebook page, have now decided, Meta has decided that I'm not allowed to leave more than 2 links per month in any of my posts. I normally add a link every day to the video that I've made of that card, but they won't let me post it unless I join Meta in some capacity or other, paying about £50 for so long or whatever. I'm so cross. So I'm hoping that Facebook people will just come back to my channel and watch. But honestly, talk about money grabbing. Makes me cross. So I've had a moan, grumpy old woman. Thank you for everyone for supporting me, and thumbs up wherever you can. And thank you those people who've hyped my videos and bought me coffee. And I'm so grateful. And come back and see me very, very soon.